Hey, Freedom Stickers. Freedom Sticker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stickers. Before I get into today's video, let me get into some community mail. Let's get into it. Today's letter came to us from Unicorn Stacker, 10-year-old Stacker, the daughter of Silver Conundrum. Let's see what she sent me. I've been seeing everybody else get her stickers. Ooh, shiny. Let's read the note first. Hello, Mr. Freedom Stacker. I would like to start off by saying thank you for the lovely stickers. The dime that you sent me was very nice and is now part of my deep stack hidden from the evil, sinister, Silver Conundrum. LOL. I think that the tree of life in your sticker is very pretty, but it would look better if it had unicorns flying around it, making it look even more mythical. Also, Silver Conundrum says hello, and to add his stickers to my letter for you. He is such a slacker, but I added them anyway. I hope you enjoy. Your fellow stacker, Unicorn Stacker. I got 6 unicorn stamps. It's a 1958 Roosevelt dime. Thank you very much, Unicorn Stacker. All right, let's look at these. These stickers here. We got shiny unicorn, and then we got her regular unicorn with all the coins all the way around. We got this, whoever this guy is. Oh, there's a clock. It must be Mad Stacker, right? No, it's Silver Conundrum, her father. The reason that she's allowed to stack is because her father's a stacker. It's awesome. I love when families get involved, and that's awesome. Thank you so much. I guess now I have to send Silver Conundrum some stickers too, just so he'll stop crying, huh? Unicorn Stacker. Let's get into it. Oh, there's a little tabby thing here. That's cool. Alright. SD Bearing Company. We all know who that's from. Alright, what did we end up with this time? The October installment of the 52 American Silver Eagles. Pick them up from SD Bullion. See if we can get into this without messing anything up too bad. Alright. 5 American Silver Eagles for the month of October. Alright, I'll be right back. Got the random tube. See what year we ended up getting. They're all 2017. I have room for 3 more American Silver Eagles, or maybe it's 2 after the one I just got yesterday. Alright. Let's see what year it's going to be. Love that sound. Well, right off the bat, I have 2018, 2017, which these 5 are. So far I have 6 of those. So 2017 might be the next tube I start. We'll find out though. See what the rest of the years are. Chuck! Got 2018. Got 6. 2017s. 1 2016. 6 2015s. So we're tied with the 2017s. 3 2013s. 4 2010s. 1 2002 and 1 2000. So it's a toss-up between the 2017s and the 2015s, which I need to start a YouTube for. So I'll probably just go with the 2017s. Keep my random tube random.
One, two, three, four, 8, 9.
And 17. That's funny. So I started out with 18 in my random tube and got 5 American Silver Eagles. So now I have 17 in my. I only ended up taking 1 out. That's funny. Anyway. So 17 in the random tube. Plus 6 in the 2017 tube. 9 in the 2019 tube. 9 in the 2020 tube. I have 17 in my random tube. Plus we have 9 in our 2020 tube. Makes 26. Plus 9 in our 2019 tube. Makes 35. Plus 6 in our 2017 tube. Makes 41. Plus 4 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles. So it's 17 plus 4 is 21. Plus 6 is 27. Plus 9 is 36. Plus 9 is 45. 36, 45, right? 45 American Silver Eagles. Is that the right count? All right, I just recounted and I have 45 American Eagles. By my count, I was only supposed to have 44, so I guess an American Eagle snuck in there somewhere. Or I misnumbered something somewhere in one of my videos. Anyway, so yeah, I'm 1 ahead of where I thought it was. Sweet. I'm still going to go ahead and order what I was expecting to order for the rest of November and December, just in case my math is wrong. And I don't want to risk not hitting 52 American, so risk not hitting 52 American Eagles and smashing my goal. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.